Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm wearing the same shirt as my other video, but it's because I'm filming two videos for you guys. So yeah, and today we are gonna be doing a try on and unboxing of these two boxes, the September and October boxycharm. So stay tuned. If you guys would like to see this video, then yes, keep on watching. For those of you who don't know what boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription. It is $21 a month, and they send you either 4 to 5 full-size products. I think I think that's great that they do that, because I mean, it's like a little gift to yourself every month, you know. September's box I just recently got because I had a little problem saying it was delivered and it wasn't delivered, and I had to email boxycharm and let them know, oh, I didn't get my box, this is delivered. And they were nice enough to send me another box, another September boxycharm. So I'm happy now. So that's why I'm doing the two unboxing of these boxes. And I did already go through them. If you guys want to see on my Instagram what I got, then you guys could go to my Instagram. I will leave my Instagram on the description down below. And let's just get started and let's try these products. So for September's box, this is September's box. For September box, the theme is wildflower. I'm not gonna go into much detail with this. I just want to try the products and unbox everything. So the first thing I see is these 3 Alamar Cosmetics brushes. You can never have too many brushes. So a crease brush. Yeah, I don't know what you guys call these. A flat brush. Oh no, flat brush and like another flat brush. So they're very soft. The next thing I see is this Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base, and I already kind of put concealer on my eyes. I mean, I could try this. This is what it looks like, and I think I should give that a try, right? And I got this Violet Boss liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Excessive. I've never tried Violet Boss. Ooh, pretty color. So I'm just gonna swatch this. And this is how it looks. Very pretty, like dark purple. Next thing we got is this Girl Lactic. Look at this packaging, it's so pretty. This Girl Lactic, what is it? Skin Glow. And these are the shades. Let me swatch them. So this is the, how do I? Oh, the top one is like the goldish one, and then this pink one is the bottom one. Yeah, it's like a very subtle glow. The next thing we got is this Pretty Vulgar palette, and it's the Nightingale eyeshadow palette. Ooh, it comes with the big mirror, and these are the shades. Okay, let's see. Ooh, look at this. That's one of the shades. They're pretty pigmented. Let's swatch another one. The silver spoon. Pretty swatches. And for October's box, the thing is Alter Ego. And the first thing I see is Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Ooh, this is interesting. I already have my foundation on, so we'll give that a try later. We got this It Cosmetics mascara, volumizing mascara. Then we got this Brigio Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I love their products. It keeps you like your hair soft. I remember back a few months ago we got something from them and I loved it. And then we got this Kat Von D liquid lipstick, and I got the shade Bow and Arrow. Ooh, pretty. And I'm gonna do a swatch right under here. Very pretty. It's this one right here. Next thing we got is this Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. So it has a little mirror. I guess these are the eyeshadows and this is the face palette. Ooh, I think that's too much. I'm just gonna leave it like that.
I think I put a little too much. I'm gonna be using my fingers because
So first color I'm gonna be using is this dark brown right here. They don't have any names. Oh wait, they do. Sneak peek. So I'm gonna put this on my crease. Ooh, fallout. Ooh, okay. This shade right here from the Nightingale, the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette, and it's Flip Out. I am gonna take this Disguise color and I'm gonna add it like to the middle. These four are the face swatches from this palette. The name of the shade is Reveal. Ooh, I think that's super pigmented. So for the lower lash, I'm gonna be using this green right here. I'm gonna go in with this gold one with my fingers because I'm gonna be using Twilight to go on top of the cream highlight. Whoa. And highlight my inner corner. And my brow bone. Now I'm gonna be trying this It Cosmetics mascara. I feel like all mascaras do the same thing. The Kat Von D and then the Violet Voss. I'm gonna be trying the Violet Voss, then the Kat Von D. So this is the Violet Voss one. So this is the finished look for using the BoxyCharm products. The only I use for the lips, I use the Kat Von D bow and arrow, and then lined my lips with this Wet n Wild color icon in the shade Chestnut. Yeah, I think Chestnut. Maroon. So that is it for this BoxyCharm unboxing, trying on products. And if you guys would like to see next month's BoxyCharm unboxing and try on, leave a comment down below and I will gladly do a video. So thank you so much and for watching, and see you next time. Bye. Marron, 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 marron. All right.